Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously I'm in my bathroom and obviously I'm wearing my hair dyeing shirt. So you put two and two together, I'm dyeing my hair. I have no reason to be doing this. I am just bored. I've had it just dark brown, my regular natural hair color, for over a year now, and I just want to switch it up. I've been seeing so many people on TikTok dyeing their hair red and I just got excited and inspired. My 7th grade technology teacher had this really pretty like red violet hair. It was like dark brown, but then in the light it was like this really like mesmerizing color, and I always said I wanted to have that when older. So I got 2 hair dyes because my hair is really thick and I didn't want it to be like patchy in any way. So I thought if I just mix these two, then it'll be like a nice color and it will be enough. I don't know if this color is the exact color, but there's like a dark brown reddish color. This one's called Chocolate Cherry by L'Oreal Fiera, and then this one is called Power Violet. So kind of just those colors together. Hopefully I can do that correctly. Also, like, I'm totally capable of going to a hair salon and having my hairdresser do this, but I just think it's fun to do by yourself, and it's fun to make videos dyeing my hair. I do this all the time and I just love it. It's like fun. So first I have to detangle my hair. Also, I need to open the window that's behind this light, so that might be a little difficult, but let's see. Okay, also sorry if that's a little crooked. As I mentioned, it's late at night and I don't want to wake my family up. Also, I low-key look like a lion. Instructions. I really feel like a scientist. Okay, now I gotta quickly mix the other color. I'm glad I opened both directions and looked at them because they were a little different. I'm just gonna section off my hair because it's thick. Also, I'm just gonna take some Aquaphor and just put it around my forehead. Really hoping that this doesn't make me break out. By the way, I'm doing this so none of the dye like stains my skin. I'm ready. Okay, these are the 2 bottles. This one's red and this one's like purple. And I'm just gonna mix them together in a little bowl. Oh my god, this smells so strong. It's literally burning my eyes. Why does it smell like that? Okay, I had to move my camera because I'm looking in my mirror this whole time. I'm nervous. I feel like it's not gonna show at all. Oh, my hair's getting literally tangled. This literally smells so bad. I don't know how my window's not helping. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think I just dyed my hair red. Okay, I'm just gonna tie this in the back. I really hope this is enough hair dye, because if it's not, this is just gonna be a mess. I mean, it already kind of is, but... oh shit. I need to take this off and see if my video uploaded. It's oh shit. I didn't even put a thumbnail. Oh my god, how did I do that? I literally put up a video and forgot to put a thumbnail. That's so embarrassing. I'll do it in a sec. I'm gonna watch Brad Mondo, who should be doing my hair. I have a concern. See that? My scalp is bloody red. Not actual blood, obviously, but I don't know how it's gonna go away. Update. So I actually have a lot of extra hair dye because I don't know, I wasn't using that much because I was scared that I wouldn't have enough, but I have a lot extra, so I'm just gonna kind of go through all my hair and get it in. Okay, something really weird. I was just watching Sienna Gomez Gets a Mondo Makeover. Never even watched Brad Mondo's videos before. I get here, he dyed her hair red. And I didn't even know that throughout the whole video. So now we're matching. Someone texted me. It's my ex-boyfriend. Anyways. You know what? Like, yes, I could get this professionally done, but it's more of like an experience doing it at home, and it's fun. And I love it. Even if it turns out bad, which I don't think it will. I don't know, maybe it will. Anyone want to know what this looks like? Period blood. This is literally starting to look like I murdered somebody. Oh, that is so bad. I feel like red is like the new thing and I'm starting to hop on the trend. No, you know who really, my TikTok crush made me do this? I'll put her TikTok on the screen and I just thought she looked so good. So I was like, I want to look like you. Okay, I think I'm almost done. It feels like a wet mop is on my head. Also, I just realized I probably didn't need to use both of those bottles because it feels like there's so much product on my head, and it's because there's literally two bottles of hair dye on my head. All right, now I need to gather it on top of my head, which is really hard because it's all like stuck together.
Oh, no.
Okay, now I'm just gonna cautiously sit on my floor in my bathroom for 25 minutes watching TV on my laptop, and then I'll wash it out and get back to you guys. I'm so nervous. I look crazy. Okay, so it's been a little over 30 minutes and I am going to wash this monstrosity out. Oh, my mom was gonna kill me. I'm actually gonna take a shower and rinse it out. I'll get back to you guys once it's all rinsed out. Okay, so I'm all fresh out of the shower. My ears are looking a little red, but I think it all came off my neck, which is amazing. I haven't actually seen it, so poor towel. Okay, so obviously it doesn't look any different because my hair is just dark in general, so I didn't expect this to be like a dramatic change. I do see it a little bit though. Yeah, it's definitely there. Oh my god, I look like Bad Baby. So anyways, I'm just gonna blow dry it and see what it looks like blow dried, and then tomorrow I will definitely show you guys what it looks like in the light because I think it'll be a lot different. But yeah, that was fun. I'll see you guys after I blow dry it. Okay, so my hair's all blow dried and I look like Bad Baby. So it's obviously not that dramatic, but I think it's perfect. And obviously I think it'll look better when I'm tan and have makeup on. It's really hard to tell, but you can see if I like, oh yeah, you can see. I feel like I look like a mermaid, but I like how natural it is. Like, it's not like you can tell a lot. Also, when I realize it's my hair, I'm like, ooh, that doesn't look like me. I think I'll just get used to it. So yeah, I'll show you guys tomorrow in the morning what it looks like. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm actually outside right now just because I did my makeup and I have my hair done, and I thought I'd show you what it looks like. Obviously it's not a huge difference, but you can definitely see in the light. It's kind of like gloomy out, so you can't really see. Also, this is like the worst angle ever. I'm just gonna try to show you. I don't know if you could see that, but that's what it looks like. You can see better when there's like a flashlight on it. It's just like a nice maroon violet red, and yeah, I don't know if it's like me though, you know. I think I'll have to definitely get used to it. Got a lot of red going on. I've got a lot of mixed reviews. Most people hate it, so we'll see how long this lasts, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love you so much, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.